Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can make a video in Gemini AI. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google. You can just type Gemini into Google, and there you can see it says Google Gemini. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click onto that, and here you can see it is loaded up Gemini 3. So if you want to make a video, because if you just start typing in here and chatting, it's just going to be text. So right here it says tools. You want to click on tools, and right over here it says tools. Okay, if you like me are not getting the tool to create a video, that's still okay. What you can do now is you can open up another tab, go back to Google, type VO3. So what you can actually type is try VO3, and then you can see there Google AI Studio VO3. So go ahead and click onto that, and this is VO 3.1. This uses the if you're in Gemini, it will be using this. So you can see you can create videos like this. So scroll down and click on try VO 3.1, and right here you need to describe your video. Okay, and there we go. So you can choose a horizontal video 16:9 or a vertical video 9:16. I'm going to use VO 3.1 fast, and then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm just going to say a man throwing a Coca-Cola in the air. Okay, and then you just click on run, and then you just click on run. It will create your video, and then you can go ahead and download the video. Now another thing you might run into is if I click run, it says choose a project and API. So what you can do if you want to create a video for free, click here where it says flow. That will take you to the Flow website, and you'll get a certain amount of credits. So I'm going to log in with my email, and I'll click on get started. Okay, and if I click here, you can see I have 50 AI credits. Okay, so I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to type the same thing, a man throwing a Coca-Cola in the air. Okay, you can choose your model. So I want a 16:9 video. Okay, and I'm going to use VO 3.1 fast, and then I'm just going to click on go. And as you can see, I need more credits. So go ahead, buy some credits, and then you'll be able to create videos using VO 3.1 fast. If this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.